Hello everyone. Many times I'm being asked, what exactly is Tantra? Most people would prefer a very simplified answer, not too much philosophy. So here we go. Tantra is an ancient system of spiritual teaching originating in India. This is a very ancient teaching, which means thousands of years old. Some say more than 5,000 or 6,000 years old. And in this system of teaching, the human being can, by applying various methods of practice, develop themselves at the level of their consciousness. Some of you might say that's not what I wanted to hear, because all I know is that Tantra has something to do with sex. And now I'm coming with this type of spiritual answer, and many people may be disappointed. Fear not. The answer is very simple. Tantra includes a variety of teachings, and the secret is that Tantra deals with energy. That's one of its unique features. And because it deals with energy in all its different manifestations, it indeed includes many different techniques, from Hatha Yoga to Kundalini Yoga, from the study of the chakras to the study of karma and various other methodologies. In all those teachings, we find one common theme which I personally like very much about Tantra, and that is that Tantra is extremely practical. This is not some armchair philosophy. It's not some kind of erudition required of reading many texts and so on. Of course, there are tantric texts, and if you're interested, you're very welcome to read them. But when you study with a proper school or teacher, you will see that the teachings are very straightforward. You need to understand certain things about energy, and then you apply them. And that's why if you ask me what exactly is Tantra, it is a way by which you can apply yourself to a variety of practices that will help you to change from within. Everyone always is seeking for development, improvement. There's so many courses out there and motivational speakers and all kinds of self-help books that we try to use in order to make ourselves better, to improve certain qualities of ourselves. Many of these things work either superficially or temporarily. In some cases, they can give you the results you're looking for, but it's not always giving you the real transformation that you're looking for. Tantra can do exactly that for you. Because the unique thing about the tantric teachings that many people don't understand is that Tantra is actually not about sex, at least not as a total topic. There are some teachings about sexuality in Tantra. You'll be surprised to hear no more than 5-10% of the tantric teachings deal with sexuality. But Tantra has within it so many comprehensive teachings and very fascinating knowledge on how you can elevate your level of consciousness, develop your mind to a very incredible level, develop different aspects of your energy, and then you will see that as a human being, you truly transform. If you're looking for change, Tantra is one of the best systems in the whole history of this planet that can guarantee real, authentic, permanent, and very elevated change, that amazing change that you've been looking for. So that's what I wanted to share with you today. Very simple. Tantra is a profound way to change, and it's a way to transform yourself into a much more developed human being. Actually, these are the real teachings in Tantra. The tantric teachers, the authentic ones, would tell you that actually Tantra is not about just getting some good orgasms, or about doing some fancy yoga positions, or by moving energy in some very impressive way. The bottom line in Tantra is that it is meant to elevate your consciousness. It can take you all the way to enlightenment if you're so inclined, if that's your preference. Ultimately, Tantra is a way to really understand who you are as a human being. What is the purpose of this existence and how far you can go. It can really change your life. It changed mine, and it changed the lives of thousands and thousands of people. In my more than 20-something years of teaching Tantra, I have seen countless lives changed in a very positive way. It makes you the man or woman that you wish you can be. So that's Tantra in a very simple explanation. I hope this was interesting for you. If you want to know more, welcome to join our teachings. Thank you.